How is doing everybody? Gorgon Tech here. In this video I am going to show you some very useful tips and tricks that you can apply to speed up your Samsung device. For example, right now I have my Galaxy device. I am using this device for almost 1 year and now I can feel this device is getting quite slow. If you have a device like this or any other Samsung smartphone, or this trick will work on every Android phone. So this video is going to be useful for you, so please watch this until the end and give it a like. If you're not yet subscribed, then do it right now. First off, we have an old but very effective trick that I guess most of you already know, but in case if you really don't know, you can actually reduce the animation in your phone to make it much faster. If you open any application, you get this animation which makes your device quite slow, but you can easily change it. All you have to do is go to your settings and go to about phone, then to the software information. On this build number, click 4 times. Now it will ask for a password. Just type it in and click on next. Now it will say developer mode has been turned on. Go back to your settings and scroll all the way to down. Now you'll see this developer option. Just select it. Then if you scroll it down, you will have this animation scale. Make sure you have changed it to 0.5 and right away you will notice a huge difference in the performance of your phone. Your phone will feel much faster and snappier here. If you want, you can completely turn off this animation, but it doesn't look good and I will recommend you to keep it 0.5. It more than enough. So next thing you need to do is go to your setting and then to device care. If you tap on the screen, you have this advanced option. Just select it and make sure to optimization is enabled. Enable it. It automatically optimized your phone once in a day, which results in a better overall performance. You can also set time at which you want your phone to get optimized. I usually keep it at 3 AM because I don't use my phone at that time. For the third tip, again we need to go to the developer option. Go to settings, scroll all the way down and click on this developer option and scroll down to find background process limit. Scroll down until you find background process limit. So by default it will suggest you to keep it at a standard limit by default. I will suggest you to keep it at most 4 process. It will only keep you the most recent application that you are using and one that are most active to keep running in the background, but limiting 4 as the maximum. This will clear up the RAM and keep your mobile fast and snappy all the time. So that's it for now. I'll see you again with another exciting and useful video. Until then, take care of yourself and bye.